Welcome to day 5 of Minimal March. One sketchbook, one palette, 10 minutes, zero pressure. Alright, today we are making some flowers, but with a pen. Yes, no fancy brushes yet, just some old good doodling. So maybe we should call them flower doodles. I'm starting with a very simple sketch of a flower, nothing complicated here. No botanical accuracy, no stress, just a basic flower shape and making sure the leaves are placed nicely around it. Once the basic shape is done, I start adding some hatching, just a few lines here and there on the petals around the center of the flower to give it a little depth and texture. Now, one lonely flower on the page feels a little bit awkward, like it showed up to a party alone. So let's fix that. I'm adding a couple of more flowers around it to fill the page and make the whole composition look a bit fuller. Once I'm happy with how the flowers are placed on the page, it's finally time to bring in some watercolors. For the petals, I'm using carmine red, which is a slightly cool red and works beautifully for the flowers. I start by placing the color closer to the center of the petals, just a small amount, nothing too heavy. And then I take a clean brush with some water and gently pull that color outwards towards the edges of the petal. And look at that, instant magic. The color softly spreads around, creates a natural variation in petals, darker near the center and lighter as you move outwards. Also, if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me. And also, you can keep a track of upcoming Minimal March videos. Once I'm done coloring the petals, it's time for the center of the flowers. I'm using a bright yellow and then adding a tiny touch of orange here and just to give a little extra warmth and highlight. For the stems, I'm adding just a little bit of green, not too much though. I want to keep it very minimal. Think of green as a guest appearance in this painting, just popping in to say hello and tie everything together. And that's pretty much it. Our little flower doodle page is complete. The best part, we've finished this in about 10 minutes, quick, relaxing, and one more small step closer to filling the whole sketchbook. That was today's page. If you guys are joining me, please do let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see your works. And that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow with day 6.